In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to have two Outlook accounts on one computer. The easiest and most reliable way to do this is by adding your second account directly into Outlook so you can view both inboxes side by side. This doesn't merge anything. Each mailbox stays separate with its own inbox, folders, calendar, and contacts, but you can switch between them without signing out. Outlook comes in two main flavors on Windows: Classic Outlook and the New Outlook. A quick way to tell which one you are using is to look for the File tab in the top left. If you see it, you are in Classic Outlook. If you don't, you are likely in New Outlook, which uses a gear icon for settings. I'll walk you through both. First, in Classic Outlook. Open Outlook on your computer. In the top left, click the File tab. Under Account Information, choose Add Account. Type the email address for your second account and click Connect. Outlook will prompt you to sign in. Enter the password for that account. Then click Done. At this point, it's a good idea to restart Outlook so everything fully syncs. After it reopens, look at the folder pane on the left. You should now see both accounts listed, each with its own inbox. If your mailbox is large, give it a few minutes to finish downloading recent mail. You can drag accounts or folders to organize what you see, and you can set which account you send from by default in File. Then Account Settings. If you are using the New Outlook, click the gear icon in the top right to open Settings. Go to Accounts. Then Email Accounts and select Add Account. Follow the sign and prompts for your second email. When you are done, both inboxes will appear in the sidebar. If the new mailbox doesn't show up right away, close and reopen Outlook to kick off a full sync. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.